Sawucala ngema individual players. Sawucala ngalo ashaya amagoli amaningi bangi-2. But awupresentwa ke bona technical director. uJunior Sibanze naMnotho Simelane. Cela baqhamuke ngale. Junior Sibanze naMnotho cala ngale khona. Mnotho. Wemanzini Wanderers ne School of Excellence. Uphi Mnotho? Uyafana ngala. Mala phela mathini. Oh, you say, one of my camera. Let's take time. You can join.
Thank you so much.
You can join. Yes, so whoever wants to take pictures, please, as joining Nabaya. Look at the camera, especially that. Okay, best goalkeeper is Bayanda Mabuza from Real Leopards. Utawuniketwa Mr. Banele. Tengetwa. Best defender, ya angkale ngale sibongo, Musiyaya Bayanda. Musiyaya Bayanda from Manzini Wanderers. Utawuniketwa Mr. Kumalo from Build It. Go. That's the best defender. Best midfielder, Utabang Navigator, Makakula from Manzini Wanderers. In our town, you get from Mr. Msegwane. The Swagger Manzini FA, the Abebu Competitions Committee, Youth Development, Youth Committee, Gangwa. Player of the tournament, utayinigetwa ke technical director na Mr. Kumalo from Build It. Utaba ngu Junior Sibanze. Player of the tournament, Junior Sibanze from Manzini Wanderers. Ingaskwalile wini. Kuskura ifa kulele wini lele. Iro lele patu. Ya ashute na bonke lama awards.